just about 6 o'clock here on this Wednesday evening. The sun has set, so we just have those dark skies out there on our campus camera, as well as those bright lights across campus. Temperatures are also chilly. Most of us have fallen down into the low 50s. We're 52 now here in Starkville. We've also dropped to the upper 40s in Columbus. So those temperatures are going to continue to fall overnight. That cold front that has now moved through, that's well off towards our east, continuing to move through Florida. So now we're getting those northerly winds. That's what's helping to bring in that drier air and also chilly air from the north that's actually going to stick around through the next few days. So this evening, actually going to be chilly. You may need that jacket if you are headed out this evening. Upper 40s around 7 o'clock and then continuing to fall down into the low 40s as we approach the 11 o'clock hour. So overnight tonight, temperatures are expected to fall into the upper 30s across northeast Mississippi, 38 in Starkville, as well as up in Tupelo, 36 in Vernon. So certainly going to need those car heaters tomorrow morning. Also make sure to bring in those sensitive plants tonight because we're going to keep the 30s through the next several days. So 38 tomorrow night or tomorrow morning. Then we drop to the low 30s, near freezing both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So definitely going to need the jackets as well as bringing in those sensitive plants. And look at our highs the next couple of days in the 50s, upper 50s tomorrow, mid 50s on Friday before we start that rebound back into the mid 70s by the beginning of next week. Now notice that's well above normal. Typically we're in the mid 60s for this time of year. So we go from really chilly to well above normal as we go into next week. So the reason for that is because this low, that's what's driving that cold air from the north and also bringing that windy conditions that we saw today. That'll stick around through tomorrow as this continues its track up towards the north and east. Then as we go into next week, we get into what we call a very zonal pattern where winds come from the west going towards the east, which is bringing those much warmer air where this high is situated across the southeast, which is why we're going to see that warm up as we head into next week. But for now, we've got the cooler mornings and even chillier mornings as we go for Friday to Saturday in the 30s, 50s the next couple of days before warming up to the 60s for the weekend, for the game. We continue that trend upwards to the mid 70s for Monday, and we also bring back those isolated rain chances next week.